Hi guys! In today's video, I will going to show you how to add categories in Wix Store. So first, go to your website dashboard. Then select Store Products. Click on Collections. From there, you can go to the existing collection or category, or you can click on Create button right there to add new category or collection. You can now add a category name. You can then add products. After adding your products, just click on Save. And then you can see to your screen, you must add this collection to your site. Just click Add Now. And then wait weeks to add your site. And then to your screen will appear Add this collection to your site. What you're gonna do is to change your page name and then click on Create Page. And that will appear to your site. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe.